Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith and today we are going to be reacting to Set Fire to the Raid by Gabriel, Henrique, Duet, Adele. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you're highly welcome. Please do subscribe, give this video a massive thumbs up, comment, share and all that good stuff. And with that being said, let's just get right into this video.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you used to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands,
Gabriel is simply fantastic and amazing. It is actually my second time reacting to Gabriel singing Set Fire to the Rain, and doing this duet right now is so beautiful. I'm really enjoying this.
but there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say that you never and then the games you play, you don't always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned, while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say that you never and the games you play, you will always win. But I set fire.
Amazing, this is so beautiful.
Watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned, well I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name.
Gabriel is so phenomenal and spectacular. It's how he sings in the same key and notes as Adele. I'm really liking this.
When it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door, that heart you call must be waiting for. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain.
Gabriel is awesome. Gabriel is too good. He's got the talent of 100 men in one.
Something like, 'cause I knew that was the last time.
Gabriel never ceases to surprise me. He is so amazing. He is so talented. He's a superstar. He's a naturalist. Gabriel is wonderful. He is awesome. I really enjoyed reacting to this duet by Gabriel and Adele. His voice was so blended and so matched to that of Adele. He even really did a more better job. They're both nice. They're both super talented, and I really enjoyed reacting to this musical video, and I'm sure you did too. Please tell me in the comment section how you feel about this song, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, you're highly welcome. Please do subscribe, give this video a massive thumbs up, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And with that being said, let's just get right into the next video. Bye.